What's up, beauties? My name is Tierica and welcome to my channel. Here we are going to talk about everything that has to do with being an entrepreneur and learning how to grow your lash business. This video is more so going to be like a about me video or an introduction, and then all the videos after this one will be getting into all the good stuff, okay? But I just wanted to, I don't know, I have this thing where I have to start off with like an introduction video to explain who I am, and all that good stuff. So basically, my goal with this channel is to share with you all, whether you want to be an entrepreneur, specifically more so directed towards lash techs, if you're a new lash tech, or if you have been working as a lash tech and you are struggling, you feel like to grow your business, to maintain your clientele, my videos are going to be specifically for you because I have been in the beauty industry. I want to say it's been like 13, 14 years, but I've been a lash tech for 10 years. And honestly, for these past 10 years, I have been able to maintain my business. I've been able to grow my clientele to the point where, y'all, I don't post on social media. I don't hand out business cards. I really do not promote myself in any kind of way, but I still manage to get new people all the time and retain these new people. And then like my clients that I've had from the beginning, I have clients that's been with me for the full 10 years, 9 years, 8 years. Even the new clients that I get, they stick with me, right? And I always have people telling me like, you need to teach how to do lashes. People are always coming to me wanting me to teach them how to do lashes, and that's just not my thing. Like, yes, I feel like I can teach things, but I don't want to teach how to do lashes because it's just not, that's not what I'm passionate about. And it's so many people out here that can teach you how to do lashes, and I'm just not one of them. But when I thought about it, what I am good at is talking business with people and explaining to people all the different ways and strategies that you can use to build your business, to maintain your clientele, because those are very, very important. You can have the lash skill all day, right? You can know how to do lashes amazingly. But in my own opinion, if you don't know how to have customer service, if you don't know different tips and tricks on, being personable with your clients and treating them like a priority, treating your business like a priority, you're not going to have a lot of clients. So I've had a lot of people come to me and voice to me because I don't get my lashes done. I just put a strip on. So I really don't know how other people run their business. I only know based upon all the new clients that I get. And I've had so many people over these years tell me all different kinds of things, and I just take note of everything that has been told to me, right? And that's what led me to be like, you know what? Let me focus on doing content centered around growing your business, maintaining your clientele, because I don't feel like that is something that is focused upon. I feel like it's more so just the technique, how to do the lashes, how to apply the lashes. And like I said, you can know how to do that all day, but if you don't have these other skills, I don't think you'll be that successful. And I say that because I've actually witnessed it with people. Right? And because I've worked with a lot of people just doing one-on-one trainings, because that's about as far as it'll go with me teaching how to do lashes, and just seeing how it goes from there for them. And I'm noticing all the customer service or the behind the scenes, the business aspects of it for why they're probably not being super successful. I also study like mindset, basically like mindset shifting, manifestation. So I know I'll end up talking about a lot of that on this channel, but I do have a separate channel too where I talk about manifestation, the law of assumption. Basically what you're assuming to be true will always be true. So I definitely mix that type of mindset in with the business to get a successful, setup for you. So if you are struggling to build your business, if you're struggling to maintain your clientele, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and stick with me, tune in with me. I don't really have a schedule just yet of how often I will be posting videos, but this is something that because like I said, I've been doing lashes for 10 years, and I definitely want to transition out of just doing lashes, and I want to do more. So me doing more is being able to reach all of the new lash techs, or all of the lash techs period, that feel like they're struggling to grow your business or see it being as successful as you want it to be. So my intention with all of the videos, all of the content that I'll be posting, my intention is that you gain something from it and you experience a booming business, okay, where you're booked and busy, because isn't that the goal? Like, everybody wants to be booked and busy. So my intention is for you to learn from me and to be able to grow and be booked and busy, because you absolutely can, okay? We're gonna get into all kinds of stuff on this channel. So yeah, this video doesn't need to be that long. I don't want to ramble because I have the tendency to. I also I just like being real and authentic, and I feel like the best things that I can say come right off the top of my head, versus me like making notes and trying to be super organized. Like right now, I just want to talk about what I want to talk about, and share the knowledge that I have. So yeah, I'm not bringing y'all no notes. It's just boom. What you get is what you get. I don't edit YouTube videos. I record them and I post them, because we do live in a world where, everything has to be perfect. But what if what you do is perfect in that very moment? You know what I'm saying? So I like real, I like authentic, and that's what y'all are gonna get. So go ahead and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video.